you've heard of electrification of these houses. They're putting electric stoves in. They're putting, induction ovens in. If you put a geothermal ground source water ground source heat pump and the superheater with water heating, you have no burning. You have all a safe house. You're also going to reduce your cost by about 35%, energy costs. There's no downside to this, and there's no maintenance. If you're a gas company, you always have the exposure that if I get a leak, I'll blow up your house. If you get a leak, it's a water leak. Nothing happens. It's a safer technology. Plus, for a gas company, it's using almost the same type pipe. So your workers can do this. We can train them to do this. So it's not like we're putting anyone out of work. We're actually creating another aspect to it.